In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete IQ option account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open IQ option. You can open the application or you can also open it on browser. If you want to open it on browser, what you have to do is simply click on the search bar and type in iqoption.com/trader room. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of IQ option. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to delete your account, it's actually very simple. Simply click on the account icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply find the option for settings and click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. At left, you'll be able to find the option like appearance, trading, keyboard shortcuts, etc. At last, you'll be able to find the option for account settings. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the account settings interface. You'll be able to find various options like temporary closing of account, deletion of account and personal data, access my data over here. So if you want to delete your account, what you have to do is simply find this option for deletion of account and personal data. Once you do that, click on the request option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to specify the reason. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. If you want to give more information, you can also add your comment if you want. This is completely optional. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the confirmation message over here. Are you sure you want to delete your account and all your personal data? You will not be able to access your account, execute any transactions, trade or make use of any of the IQ option services. Simply click on this option, confirm. Now you can see over here your account and personal data deletion has been requested. It may take 1 to 30 business days to process your request depending on the volume of requests currently being processed. So within 1 to 30 days your account will be deleted. So that is how you delete IQ option account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.